detail on this is stunning. Hey, it's not a Lego. There you go, everybody. That is 11,000 pieces of fantastic. Took 536 hours to build it. Oh, yeah. One of these days, who knows? I might even be able to start animating stuff. But I am not going to do it until our project gets trademarked and copyrights on my stuff that I want to make. At that point in time, then I will be considering doing animation for it, because I want to do a weekly series, a weekly movie on YouTube of my project. Okay, you guys, hold on. We're going to get him to quit. Hopefully. This is a micro Star Destroyer, and you can't crush it. It's got structure inside of it. Just like everything else that I make, this has the same kind of structure. Funny little blip about this. You guys know these pens, Sharpies. I made the engines formed around a Sharpie. Micro Machines. I started making these 16 years ago. My very first one was this Falcon. And now I can make all kinds of cool stuff. Like this Tomcat. I think that's the coolest stand I've ever made right there. Looks like it belongs at the Museum of Flight. Oh, if I make short films, it has nothing to do with Disney. It will be my own stuff. My own builds, my own designs. And yeah, I'm not going to be doing anything for Disney, even letting them just know.